Racing just is started with Endless Rose break quickly to start, rushing up down on the inside is Magnolia's Classic. Dancing Flower comes next, then followed by Leonora's Angel. Rising Force in the middle portion is Special Forces, and going along for the first turn we have Magnolia's Classic. Dancing Flower is on the outside, running by Daryl is You Are the One. Then next online now is Special Forces. Leonora's Angel comes next. Endless Rose, Let's Kiss and Say Goodbye is running by Daryl. Director's Donya comes next, and on the outside comes Rising Force. Salinas, Nobody But You comes next. Sincamas is Scarlett second last, while Cecilia is racing in 13th. Inside the Tres Octavo we have Directors Donya now moves about the outside to take the lead by about 3 lengths, and in second You Are the One. Then moving up is Leonora's Angel. Down on the inside, Let's Kiss and Say Goodbye, Nobody But You. Likewise arriving to the race too, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have 11. Directors Donya is still in control, leads by about 6 lengths, and in second Let's Kiss and Say Goodbye, Nobody But You is on the outside. Last 50 meters we have Directors Donya, and finally Directors Donya. Nobody But You, Let's Kiss and Say Goodbye, then comes Leonora's Angel, Sincamas is Scarlett.
All right, number 11, Directors Donya, crossing the wire first, ridden by Dodong Villegas. Matulis yung parimati niya. Masisigundo, ito, Diado, 8. Nobody But You, Let's Kiss and Say Goodbye, 9, Leonora's